Hi guys, it's Kelly at Garden Discovery, and today I'm going to be planting lettuce. Come along and we'll put some seeds out, sow some seeds, and grow our own. Lettuce can be grown in raised beds. It can be grown directly in the ground in the soil, or you can use some containers like these stackables that I have here to grow it in stackable containers as well. Super non-fussy plant, easy to get to sprout. It only takes about 7 to 14 days till you start seeing seedlings poking through the soil. And then after that, only another month before you're going to be able to harvest your first leaves. So let's get cracking. Now, you don't have to go super fancy and order from a special seed company for lettuce. You can go straight down to your Dollar Tree and buy 25-cent packet of lettuce and grow your own at home. Super simple, really easy, really inexpensive. Lettuce seeds are super little, and what that means for you is that you don't have to sow them very deep. They're very happy to be sown in only about 1/4 of an inch of soil. So what you're going to do is just make you a little channel, just like so. And you're going to drop a few seeds about every inch or so. And if you get more than one, it's okay. You can go later once it starts growing and thin out those seeds so that there's not as many growing and bunched up together, because they'll be healthier if there's not too many. So then you just gently cover the seeds with the soil, just like this. This soil is already moist because it rained last night, but if it wasn't moist, you'd want to go ahead and water these seeds in real good. But we're supposed to get rain tomorrow, so I'm not going to need to do that. And that's really all there is. It's super simple to sow seeds for lettuce. So I hope this inspires you to get out there and start growing your own lettuce. Stop spending the money at the grocery store when you don't need to. You need to save those dollars for something better, like trips to Ireland. Lettuce comes in different varieties, so there's just slightly different tastes, but it's all good. Believe me, you're going to love it. So you see, planting lettuce seeds is really super simple, and you'll find that growing it is simple as well. So I hope you get out there, plant you some lettuce seeds, start eating your own lettuce, and you won't be sorry. Thanks so much for joining me today on Garden Discovery, and I will see you next time. Bye.